What's up Saab fans around the world, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to do a little test drive of the Monte Carlo Yellow 9.5 build again and see how it goes. Now we have fixed the exhaust manifold, we have fixed the radiator together with the fans, and I hope it doesn't leak any oil anymore. There are some minor fixes left to do, so I have ordered a thicker line for the crankcase ventilation, so it sucks a little bit more air to get a better ventilation and flow in the crankcase. So that would be something for the future as well. It doesn't do anything on the tuning part, but it maybe decreases the oil leakage a little bit if there are any left. So anyways, let's take the car out. The weather has been on and off these couple of days, so I haven't been driving too much. So this will be the first real test drive, and fingers crossed, hope everything goes well. Superb. Might be starting to rain very soon, but the engine temperature is keeping really nice after that radiator and fan fix, so that's really nice to see. And this is with Moon Tune activated, and it pulls so good. If the boost gauge is reading right, I was at like 1.4 bars of boost, which is a little bit higher than we have gone before. And I hope it shows on the speedometer. So we will see what the log will say afterwards. first test drive after I had fixed the car. It was leaking a lot of oil, and the battery I put in the car just drained out, so I got stuck on the road outside here. So my wife had to come and pick me up, which was quite embarrassing, but anyways, I had one of the clamps for the oil return was sitting a little bit crooked, so it was leaking like crazy oil. So it was splattered like oil underneath the car, so I tried to clean it up as good as I could, but there are still some oil residue around the engine, so when I drive now and the engine gets hot, it steams up like this burnt oil everywhere, so it's really hard to know if the car is leaking now or if it was from previous. So the best thing to do is to do like an engine bay clean and then start to drive it, but it is what it is. So I don't know if you can capture this, but it has started to rain a bit, so hopefully we could do like one more pull or something like that. It performed really good right now, so maybe back to the tuner and do a little bit more adjusting, but it's getting there, and it's getting there really good. So I had to hold the steering wheel really tight right now when the car pulled. Call it a day right there. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any comments, please leave a comment down below. Please subscribe to the channel, it means a lot to me. Now I'm just gonna let the car cool down a bit. So the temperature outside right now is 17 degrees Celsius, so it's quite nice to drive in. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.